Revolvers may carry a vintage reputation, but they're far from obsolete. Gun makers are doubling down on fresh designs, showing that these wheel guns still have a serious place in modern shooting culture. For those of us who appreciate the timeless charm of a revolver paired with practical performance, the year 2025 is already looking like a standout. The Henry Golden Boy, chambered in .22 long rifle. Henry Repeating Arms stepped into the revolver arena in 2023 with their big boy chambered in .357 Magnum. Not long after, they followed it up with a stunning companion, the Golden Boy revolver chambered in .22 long rifle. Just like its rifle namesake, this handgun merges the soul of the Old West with the kind of fit and finish that modern shooters expect. The Golden Boy stands out with a brilliantly polished brass backstrap and trigger guard, paired with finely checkered American walnut grips. Buyers can choose between the squared gunfighter grip for a full handhold, or the smaller bird's head style for something a bit more discreet and compact. This revolver holds 10 rounds of .22 long rifle ammunition, making it a top-tier option for plinking, small game, or even training new shooters. Henry didn't skimp on usability either. A clever button tucked inside the trigger guard allows for easy removal of the cylinder and crane assembly, streamlining maintenance without needing tools. That's not something you usually find in a rimfire revolver at this price point. When it comes to performance, the Golden Boy offers a remarkably clean trigger pull. The double action cycle is smooth, but where it truly shines is in single action mode. It breaks like glass. Adjustable front sights allow for precise aiming, making it a real tack driver with quality ammunition. However, with a manufacturer's suggested price tag hovering near $928, it's definitely an investment. Some shooters may also find the flashy brass hardware a bit much, and .22 long rifle, while excellent for recoil management and cost effectiveness, simply doesn't carry the power for defensive roles. But in the end, the Golden Boy isn't about stopping threats, it's about celebrating craftsmanship. It's a revolver you'll want to pass down, proudly American-made and backed by a lifetime warranty. Whether you pair it with the lever-action Golden Boy rifle or enjoy it on its own, it's a true showpiece that performs as good as it looks. The Charter Arms Coyote, chambered in .380 automatic Colt pistol. Charter Arms took a different route with their new Coyote, bringing something fresh to the table, a snub-nosed revolver built around the .380 automatic Colt pistol cartridge. Designed with concealed carry in mind, it's compact, lightweight, and tailored for shooters who prioritize soft recoil and ease of handling. This 5-shot revolver weighs in at a nimble 16 ounces and is built on a durable stainless steel frame. Its small footprint and manageable feel make it a strong choice for women, newer gun owners, or anyone who values discretion. What's more impressive is its clever ejector design. It reliably kicks out spent .380 automatic Colt pistol casings without needing moon clips, a common hurdle for semi-rimmed rounds in revolvers. The Coyote wears a polished stainless finish and comes standard with grippy rubber handles and fixed iron sights. It's a no-nonsense, purpose-driven revolver. In terms of shootability, the .380 cartridge offers soft, predictable recoil, allowing for quicker recovery between shots. It won't deliver the raw power of a .357 Magnum or even a .38 Special, but for close-range defensive scenarios, it gets the job done. Of course, some will take issue with the reduced firepower and limited 5-round capacity, but considering its price tag of approximately $450, it's a solid value for a rugged, easy-to-use carry piece. The Coyote proves that innovation isn't always about firepower. It's about building practical tools for real-world needs. For those looking for a revolver that disappears into a waistband but still delivers when it counts, this wheel gun is well worth a look. Taurus 608 Competition, tailored for the range warrior. Taurus is stepping confidently into the world of competition, shooting with a purpose-built revolver, the 608 Competition model. This 8-shot wheel gun is chambered for the powerful 357 Magnum cartridge and was crafted with events like United States Practical Shooting Association matches in mind. The crown jewel of the 608 is its user-adjustable trigger system. Shooters can fine-tune their pull weight to personal preference, all without needing a visit to the gunsmith. The revolver is also competition-ready right out of the box. The cylinder is machined to accept moon clips for lightning-fast reloads, and the rear sight is easily removable to mount your preferred optic. With a custom bull barrel measuring 6 inches and an unloaded weight of 51 ounces, the 608 offers a stable, accurate shooting platform. Measuring just over 11 1/3 inches from muzzle to grip, it is far from a concealment piece, but on the range or in a home defense scenario, it shines. The suggested retail price lands at $1,115.99, though savvy buyers may find it closer to $750 at retail. Either way, the 608 Competition packs serious value into a feature-rich revolver designed for precision and speed. Charter Arms Double Dog, versatility in a compact frame. Making its debut in the year 2025, the Charter Arms Double Dog is a clever solution for shooters who want maximum flexibility in a compact, everyday, carryable platform. Inspired by the dual-cylinder concept seen in models like the Taurus 692, this revolver includes 2 interchangeable cylinders, one chambered for 357 Magnum and 38 Special, and the other for 9mm Luger. What sets the Double Dog apart is Charter Arms' proprietary dual-coil spring ejector system, which allows shooters to use 9mm rounds without moon clips, an advantage in both speed and simplicity. Although it doesn't match the Taurus's 7-round capacity, the Double Dog makes up for it with a much slimmer frame that rides better inside the waistband. The revolver is built on a robust stainless steel chassis and offered in either a brushed satin or matte black nitride finish. Some variants also come with a ported barrel to help tame recoil. Buyers can choose between a 4 2/10-inch barrel for better sight radius or a snub nose 2 2/10-inch version optimized for concealed carry. The shorter variant weighs only 22 ounces and features fixed sights along with classy walnut boot grips. With a retail price of approximately $637, this revolver gives shooters 3-caliber compatibility in one rugged little package. Sporin 670, where precision meets prestige. For those who demand nothing but the finest craftsmanship, the Sporin 670 series represents top-shelf German revolver engineering. Built on Spor's exclusive N-size frame, nestled in size between a Smith Wesson L frame and a full-size N frame, this wheel gun hits the sweet spot of power, balance, and refinement. Spor offers this model with barrels ranging from 3 inches all the way to 6 1/2 inches. Internals are equally impressive. Each revolver features wire-cut, hardened components, including hammers and triggers, plus match-tuned cylinder releases and chambers that are numbered individually for maximum attention to detail. Standard features include ergonomic and high-quality Neil brand grips, while buyers can choose between LPA adjustable competition sights, fiber optic setups, or a tactical black finish to suit their taste. Starting at €3,550, or roughly $3,700 in United States currency, the N670 is far from a budget option. But within the luxury class, it offers a more attainable alternative to ultra-high-end revolvers from companies like Korth or Magnum. For serious collectors and marksmen who appreciate bespoke performance and precision without going completely overboard on price, the Smith Wesson 670 makes a convincing case. These revolvers highlight just how diverse and innovative the wheelgun market continues to be. Whether you're looking for a competition-grade performer, a versatile concealed carry companion, or a collector-grade masterpiece, 2025 is shaping up to be a banner year for revolver lovers.